Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am here to create a community of people who want to share and spread positivity. When we all work together, we all win. My goals are to show you ways that you can change your mindset and lifestyle through affirmations, motivation, and meditation. Using these techniques can help you learn how to be more peaceful, sleep better, and create a life with more happiness through positivity. Today I am taking part in the Keep Posting Movement Challenge with King Explizit and the Hope Crew. We are joining together to support each other and build a community of love, joy, and hope. This movement will also help the content creators that are part of it to grow their channels and turn this journey into a thriving business. If this sounds like something that you are passionate about, then please join us today. Check out the description of this video for King Explizit's video explaining how to join this challenge, and comment below if you are part of the Hope Crew so we can all grow together.